Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to figure out how to withdraw or transfer money from your HSBC account to Wells Fargo in 2025, you're in the right spot. With banking tech evolving rapidly, this process has become more straightforward than ever. Whether you're handling personal finances, paying bills, or just moving funds around, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have active accounts at both HSBC and Wells Fargo. Start by logging into your HSBC online banking portal or mobile app using your secure credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find in the main menu. Step 1. Choose the right transfer type. Depending on your locations, select a domestic or international wire transfer. HSBC might offer options like ACH transfers for faster, cheaper moves within the same country. Step 2. Add the recipient details. You'll need to enter your Wells Fargo account number, routing number, and the account holder's full name. Double-check everything to avoid delays or fees from incorrect information. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review any associated fees. In 2025, HSBC may charge a small fee for outgoing transfers, so keep an eye on that. It's often around $15 minus 30, but check for any promotions or waivers. Before hitting confirm, take a moment for security. Enable two-factor authentication if it's not already on, and verify the transaction details carefully to protect against fraud. Once confirmed, the transfer should process within 1 to 3 business days. You can track it through your HSBC app. Pro tip: if you're dealing with larger amounts, consider HSBC's international services for better rates. Finally, log into your Wells Fargo account to confirm the funds have arrived. If anything goes wrong, contact HSBC or Wells Fargo customer support right away. They're usually helpful. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn money from HSBC to Wells Fargo. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.